Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best trim routers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Makita 1.4 HP Compact Trim Routers. The Makita router is an extremely powerful router capable of outputting between 1 to 1/4 horsepower. Alongside this feature, the router comes with a variable speed dial that controls the speed of the motor to suit the kind of job and application you are using the router for. The router itself also has a few small bonus features that make the process of cutting wood a lot easier. Firstly, the speed control is maintained electronically and therefore it will stay at a consistent speed at all times, giving you an even and consistent woodworking job. Secondly, there is a soft startup feature for a smoother experience at the beginning of the routing session. Precision is key with this Makita compact router, as it also has a depth adjustment system through an easy-to-read depth scales, ensuring that you will always get your desired depth in your cut every single time. At number 4. Plunge and Fixed Base Router. The TacLife router is made for the most skilled carpenters. Its speed can up to 30,000 RPM, which is ideal for cutting certain angles of wood or very thick pieces of wood. The motor that drives this is made up of pure copper, preventing any rust and reducing the risk of damage as well. The router features 6 levels of speed on its dial, allowing you to set the ideal speed when shaping your wood. There is a 1 meter of flex shaft, allowing you to even attach a felt wheel to further refine your crafts by removing wood chips. Equipped with a scaled compass, you are able to create a circle with a diameter from 8 to 0.40 inch. Work with the host to complete the precision round hole, round table, round hole job. At number 3. Single Speed Laminate Trimmer. Sixth on the list is the PCE 6430 Single Speed Laminate Trimmer from Porter Cable. Although it is only available to be used in one speed, namely 31,000 revolutions per minute, the router is powerful as it is fitted with a 4.5 amp motor. Once again, it is produced with a cast aluminum base to ensure durability and strength. The locking clips of the router come in a larger than a standard size, which allows the locks themselves to release at an immediate command. This ensures quick and easy disengagement and eventual storage. Extra large locking clips allow for a quick motor release and/or coarse depth adjustment, and depth ring enables quick and accurate bit height adjustments. At number 2. Bosch 1.25 HP Palm Router. Next up is the GKF 125CE Colt Variable Speed Palm Grip Router, also from Bosch. Slightly more expensive than its predecessor, this router also promises more quality. It features an even higher Colt power at 1.25 HP, with the same variation in speed choices. Moreover, this router also includes a convenient palm design to allow for a supportive and soft grip when using. What is different is that this router is packaged with a constant response circuitry, ensuring that there is consistent performance throughout the router's usage. This may be in the form of constant speed or depth. There are LED lights to provide extra convenience during the use and for accuracy during trimming. Even beginners would find this router easy to control and use. At number 1. DeWalt Fixed Base Trim Routers. Number 10 on our list is the DW616 Fixed Base Router from DeWalt. The router is plated with nickel, allowing for an easy adjustment of motor depth, which can be made in 1/64 of an inch increments, creating a micro-level precision wood trimming. Each part is easily detachable, from the power cord to the motor latches, allowing for truly convenient removal and storage. The base of the router is manufactured from aluminum, meaning that the router itself is durable and yet very lightweight. A sub-base gauge creates immense concentricity, focusing the bolt of your router exactly where it should be. The motor possesses the maximum motor HP with 1-3/4 HP, promising great power for your trimming. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.